When you're young and full of ideas, a good bank can get you more from life. But kids don't want banking flyers to teach them about their life dreams. They'd rather look up to their idols and follow them with respect and admiration. That's why we joined forces with the most popular Slovenian hip-hop artist Zlatko, who was just about to release a new, highly anticipated album called Living My Life. The Sveta Vladar Youth Banking brand presents 1 week through the eyes of a role model. We equipped Zlatko with Google Glass, hacked its batteries, and offered youngsters an unforgettable experience. He live-streamed his life, taking us to the studio. CD production process. Street galleries. Rehearsals. Concert stages. Lots of interviews. Fun times with family, friends, and fans. And of course, using banking products, showing how simple and convenient they are. Financial content also evolved into some classical advertising. The center point was the Sveta Vladar branded website with live stream and chat, prize games, and special banking offers. Thousands of young people from all over the country watched the live broadcast. But they weren't just watching. The real-time interactions among youngsters and Zlatko were constant. Through live chat, social media, and of course, daily on the streets. The press was impressed. All relevant media reported about the campaign in prime time, and besides this, we generated more than 29 million brand impressions. We practically reached all Slovenian youth. Because when it comes to your life dreams, there's no better teacher than real life itself.